You finally got your courses online, but your students find the courses boring. It's missing something. Well, two-way communication is the most effective way to communicate and learn. You can achieve that with quizzes. Introducing Masteriyo's Advanced Quiz Builder, a feature that helps you implement unlimited quizzes for free. Simply choose the preferred question types, like true or false questions, multiple choice questions, single choice questions, text answer questions, sorting questions, matching questions, audio and video questions, and many more. The fun part, it only takes a few clicks to set up. Track your students' progress by assigning points to each question and setting a duration for students to complete within. Every student's performance will be recorded automatically for you to check. Viewing each student's result gives a concise and informative stat on their performance. It makes the course more engaging for students while assuring you that they're actually understanding the course. What more do you want? Get your Masteriyo now.